kuwaandikisha ili waweze kusajiliwa.
Piny owacho ochwalo okenge maketo kuonde reso nyithindo ma skunde ma piny owacho maboyo kod mago mag ji giwegi. Jatend migawo mag weche tije Florence Bore owacho ni maeri dhi konyo e weche mag nyithindo mogo tach komedo ni kuonde rito nyithindo mag ji giwegi ok ta maber gino manyalo kendo nyayo kuo mag nyithindo, komedo jiwo ni jopiny mondo mi ochwal maling'ling e wi kuonde makamago magi chich ni ok ta makare kendo isande nyithindo.
We are trying to establish our own rescue centers away from the private centers, basically because of child trafficking. And we want to ensure that that doesn't happen here in Kenya. We want to have these children in these centers, and with time, we'd want them to integrate with the other families in the society, some of them to be adopted, some of them to be able to stay in a home family setup, so that we don't take them away from those setups, so that they can also grow and become responsible citizens of this country. We have our Child Welfare Society of Kenya in charge of this center. I've come to look at the progress, to look at how the children are doing, and I'm happy that they're doing well. This is a center that has about 132 children. Ours is to ensure that the public are able to bring forth children that have been left out there. Children have their rights. They have the right to shelter, right to food, right to education. And we have children here that have been abandoned, children that have been defiled. And as a ministry, we want to work towards ensuring that our children are not neglected, that they are taken care of.